Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Chat Time. I'm Lopez.
And I'm Edward. So happy you're here with us today.
In today's episode, we'll talk about a very real topic, feelings. How to describe your feelings in English.
Yes. You know those moments when someone asks, "How are you?" And you only say, "I'm fine" or "I'm good"?
Exactly. Today, we'll learn many other ways to answer that question. Happy, sad, tired, excited, worried, and more.
We'll also practice real short conversations. You'll listen, then we'll discuss, and then we'll listen again.
Perfect for beginners, A2 level. So don't worry if English feels a bit hard sometimes. You'll grow step by step.
Before we start, remember, if you enjoy learning with us, please like, share, and subscribe to English Chat Time.
All right, let's begin our friendly practice together.
Okay, Lopez, let's start simple. When people ask you, "How are you?" how do you usually answer?
Well, sometimes I say, I'm good. But if I'm really happy, I say, I'm great.
Good. Great. Those words show positive feelings.
Yes. Good means things are okay. Great means things are very good.
Let's practice together, friends listening at home. After me. I'm good. I'm great.
Nice. You sound great already.
Now, Lopez, can we talk about some other feelings?
Sure. Let's try tired. For example, I'm tired. I worked hard today.
That's a common one. Many people feel tired after work or school.
Right. We can also say sleepy. When your eyes want to close. I'm sleepy.
Yes. So tired means you need rest, and sleepy means you want to sleep.
Let's repeat together. I'm tired. I'm sleepy.
Good work. You're learning the difference between two similar feelings. Now let's listen to a short conversation. Listen carefully. Hi, how are you?
I'm tired. I worked all day.
Oh, I see. You should rest.
Okay, that was short. Let's discuss.
Lopez, what's happening here?
Speaker B said, I'm tired. I worked all day. That means the person is not happy or sad, just needs rest.
Right. And speaker A said you should rest. A nice, polite answer.
Now, let's listen again. Try to repeat what you hear.
Good. Now you can say, I'm tired naturally.
Next, let's talk about happy. A very nice feeling.
Yes. When good things happen, we feel happy. For example, I'm happy because it's my birthday.
Exactly. If the feeling is stronger, we can say excited.
Example, I'm excited about my trip.
Let's listen to another short conversation. How are you today?
I'm excited. I'm going to the beach.
Let's discuss. Lopez, what's happening here?
Speaker B is feeling very good. Excited means they are looking forward to something fun. The beach trip.
Perfect. Learners, now repeat, I'm excited.
Nice job. You sound excited already. Here's a fun tip. When you smile as you say these words, your voice sounds more natural and friendly.
Okay, not every day is happy, right, Edward?
Of course not. Sometimes we feel sad.
Yes. I'm sad because it's raining. Or I'm sad because I miss my friend.
If you feel strong emotion, like when something is unfair, you can say angry.
That's right. I'm angry because the bus is late again.
That happens to me too sometimes.
And there's also worried. That means you're thinking too much about something bad that might happen.
Example, I'm worried about my test tomorrow.
Now, listen to one more conversation. You look sad. Are you okay?
I'm worried. I have a big exam.
Good example. See how they used worried. Lopez, why did speaker B feel worried?
Because they have a big exam. That feeling is common before exams. Let's do a small role play. Lopez and I will speak. You listen first.
Hi, Edward. How are you today?
I'm a little tired, but happy. I finished my report.
Nice. I'm excited because it's Friday.
Now your turn to practice. Repeat each sentence after us.
Fantastic. You're learning not just words, but how to speak with feeling.
Exactly. When you describe your emotions, your English becomes real and human.
Let's quickly review all today's feeling words. Repeat after us.
Good, great, tired, sleepy, happy, excited, sad, angry, worried.
Wonderful. You did amazing work today.
And remember these short sentence patterns. I'm happy. I'm tired because. I feel excited when.
Those short, simple sentences will help you sound more natural in daily life.
Well, friends, that's today's episode of English Chat Time. You learned how to talk about many emotions in English.
We talked about good feelings, like happy and excited, and more serious ones, like worried or sad.
Remember, using feeling words helps you connect with people. English is not just grammar, it's communication from the heart.
Beautifully said, Edward.
Before we finish, we have a small community question for you.
Yes. We want to know, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments or say it aloud to practice your English. For example, the first thing I do in the morning is drink coffee.
Or, I open the window and smile.
That's lovely. We'll read your answers next time.
Thank you for listening and learning with us today. You're doing great. Keep going.
See you in the next episode of English Chat Time.